Now it's part 2 of the charger NA build. Time to start taking this thing apart and take out those heads. Just take them and get a sauce, the secret sauce. I don't got a tripod, but this, I'm sure this will do. Once the intake is off, I started backwards. I took off the intake, and then now I have to jack it up, take off the bumper, take off pretty much everything in the front, so that way the cam could actually fit between that tight gap. Drain the fluids, pull the pump, then I gotta undo the subframe, so that way I could drop the pan and do the oil pump and the oil pump gear. Now that you have the bumper, condenser, headlights, radiator, E-fan, now you have room to play with. Let's take out the actual cam. Now you gotta take out the water pump. So everything is off. Heads, water pump, rockers. Now I need to take out the cam, lifters, drop the engine cradle to drop the pan to do the oil pump, and then I'm putting on the lift so that way I can do the converter. And then right now I'm on my way to Ivan to drop off the heads to get ported, and then we'll be waiting on him to get done. But meanwhile, I'm gonna get back on this one, finishing this one up so that way I can get out of here. This one should be done pretty soon. Just need to put got pretty much everything. Radiator, fans, water hoses, paint, the transcooler, starter, pretty much everything brand new. So that way anything won't be messed up. Meanwhile, I'll take this one apart. Nice little 68 Camaro. He wants to do ported blower, bigger throttle body, cam, bigger ice tank, gauges, digital gauges because it doesn't have nothing right now. And this one turns on. As you can see, it's nice and quiet. Can't hear anything. But it should be pretty rowdy after the cam and the ported blower. Of course, the fuel, sporting mods, fuel injectors, fuel pump. This is all messed up. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the bell is not lined up, so it might cause some issues on the full throttle. But yeah, meanwhile, this one is gonna sit here for a little bit, at least maybe a week, until the heads are done. And then once it's back, I'll do a part 3 video on it, just to show the assembly. And then I'll upload part 4 of the sound clips.